JoAnna Ignace, Coldwell Banker, Dallas Real Estate, with your Flagstaff Home News. Pros and cons of building a home. It's the classic homebuyer's conundrum. Should we build or should we buy an existing? Well, we're going to go through that today. Stay tuned. I hope you have some questions and comments. So like I said, we're going to go over the pros and cons of building a house versus buying a resale home. But you're going to want to make sure before you go down this road, you hire a licensed realtor like myself to help you with this, as it is a big decision. But I'll try to break down some of the questions and thoughts that you might want to consider. You know, when you're building a home, there's some fun aspects of it, like you get to pick out your floor plan. You're going to plan. You're going to get some new appliances. But there's also a benefit to a resale. The move-in time is quicker. The neighborhood may be more established. Excuse me. But we're going to go in that detail here in a minute. And I hope you comment, like, and subscribe. I'm looking forward to working with you. The case for building a home or buying new construction. Well, with inventory on resale homes being so low right now, you're going to have better choices of selections and floor plans. You're also going to get customization. In tract homes even, you have options to go and get colors and exterior and interior. You can get layout options. You get your cabinet options. You get to pick your flooring, so you get much more customization in your new build versus resale. Another feature you will get with a new build is current building codes, which include electrical, framing, roofing. These can help you with your utilities. You'll also get modern technology, more energy efficiency. You'll get new appliances. You also will get a home warranty, like in Arizona, a 2-year mandated contractor's home warranty. And many builders offer a limited 10-year warranty outside of the state mandated one. So this is another benefit of getting new construction versus resale. That means the cost of your maintenance expenses are going to be less than on a resale home. You're also going to get a new neighborhood. With a new neighborhood comes newer infrastructure. Newer infrastructure means new sewer lines, new water lines, paved roads, sidewalks. All of those amenities into the community are going to be new. And most new communities now have many facilities such as playgrounds, or in Flagstaff we don't have swimming pools, but down in the valley in communities you would get swimming pool facilities. But you're looking for those new playgrounds and just that newer neighborhood that you're going to have. So everybody likes new, right? Who doesn't like a brand new car, a brand new dress? Well, everybody likes a brand new home, but there are some cons or disadvantages to owning a new construction or building a new construction home. We're going to go through those. One of the first things that is a con against new construction is the build time. When you're buying a new home, resale, it takes about 30 to 45 days from the time you write the contract to close. With a resale, it's going to take a minimum of 4 to 7 months to build. You've sold your home, now where do you go? That's the next con. You may have to rent a place while you're waiting for your new home to be built. So that's another factor you need to consider thinking when you're purchasing a brand new home. It can be worth it, but that is something you need to take a look into, because most places want a minimum of a year lease. So you'll want to make sure you'll talk to your landlords if you're building and see if they will allow you to sub out your lease. that's an option that you can go through when you're considering leasing. In one of the pro benefits of new construction, we talked about it being a new neighborhood. Well, that also fits on the con list. A new neighborhood can be further out from town or the local city amenities, because as cities grow, they grow out. So your drive time may be a little bit further up, and that is something to consider. Another negative in working with a new construction versus resale is the price of the home. Builders do not negotiate off the price of their build. This is why it's important that you work with a realtor who has experience in working with builders so that they can help you be creative in putting your offer together. And you can actually negotiate on other items such as maybe an AC unit or upgrades that you may have not thought of. I hope that helps. Another negative with new construction that you might not think of is your other expensive. When a builder markets a price of a home, it's typically the base price. What it won't include are your upgrades. So this is something, that you will want to talk to your builder about. You'll want to ask them questions such as, how much money does your buyers typically spend in upgrades? What is included in the base price? What are additional closing costs? Do I have any additional closing cost? Are window covering included? Is landscaping included? Also new furniture. Sometimes when you buy a new construction, the floor plan no longer fits your existing furniture. So knowledge is power, and your real estate agent, such as myself, can help you gather as much information as possible to help you decide what is a good fit for you. Is it buying new construction and building, or are you a better fit for a resale project? Okay, quick recap. On the woohoo side is going to get a fresh look at new buildings, new products, and new homes. On the wah-wah side is you won't be able to move right away. On the woohoo side is you're going to get new appliances and a more energy efficient home. On the wah-wah side, there's not going to be much negotiation in the price of the home. On the woohoo side is customization. You get to pick out your floorings, your cabinets. You can even pick out your faucets. On the wah-wah side is those upgrades can cost you additional unbudgeted funds. On the woohoo side is you shouldn't have any major repairs for the first couple of years. On the wah-wah side is you will have unexpected expenses such as landscaping and possibly window coverings, things like that you might not have budgeted for. And last but not least, on the woohoo side, you will have a more modern design and features in your home. On the wah-wah side, you will have building and construction noise going on around you for possibly 6 months to 2 years, depending on how big the subdivision is and when you moved in. Hope this helps you decide whether you want to do new construction or go ahead and go with a quicker sale, such as a resale. I can help you with both of those decisions. Feel free to reach out at me, and don't forget to comment, post, and like. Thanks.